more thing I want to say here. This building is, let me see, block 31. Okay. Now, it's on my way to my room in the elegant side. But this light here is right next to the walkway to the building. Over here, you can't see lighting. Now, between this building light and the light beside the walkway, there is about, I'm guessing about 50-ish feet, maybe 60 feet between this light to the light that's way down there. Now, you can see that little bright light like I'm doing it right now. You can see the two little bright lights. There is a couple lights over there, but that's about roughly 50 feet where the trifecta is. So then there's a couple lights down this way, which are really close to each other, maybe 15, 20 feet. Well, at least 15 or 20 feet. Oh, man, my stomach's acting up now. Right when I'm in the middle of this video. Sorry, I didn't want to say that, but it's acting weird right now. But you can see one light there, down there. There's like, it's kind of a bright pole because it's coming down off the pole. So I wanted to show you that. They're so close together comparatively. The only spot is, like I said, between this light and way down there where I was showing you on the left here of that pole. Otherwise, there's only some areas that aren't lit up. For example, right here where you can't see shit. Sorry my language, but that comes up to the pool in the distance there. Couple spots down this way, this little walkway here. Couple spots, that's it. But almost all of the, basically all of the lights along the major pathways are lit up now. Just a few near the pool or coming up to the pool. They don't put them on, or they just don't have lights for them. There's a couple that are like dimly lit on a couple, but other than that, yeah, not much. Man, I gotta go. But anyway, I wanted to say that again because, again, I wanted to make sure that people are aware that it is still dark out here. It is in Cuba. You are on a resort, yes. They do have lighting, but you are in the middle of nowhere. There's gonna be less lighting because you're not in the city. You're not in a bright, busy city. Like back home, I'm in a city. All I see is lights, with the exception of when houses aren't lit up and things like that. So it's dark. I still get darkness. It's just we're so used to, like myself as well, I'm so used to bright lights all day, every day, even at night at times. But because I'm in Cuba, do I really care too much about lighting in certain areas? Not too much, as long as I can safely walk on the walkway. Which, in fact, this spot right here, before I finish up, that light straight ahead there, that you can see right here, my finger is blocking it. Just to the right, there's a little bit of a white glow, or kind of a reddish tinge glow. That is actually, again, as I said before in one of my other videos, is the actual the building for the spa. And this is the center right here. You can kind of see that red spot right there. That's the center circle. And to the right, because I'm facing back toward where I came from, that is the spa on the right. Pool on the left, which you can see kind of a bluish color right there, right in the center almost. That is the pool. In fact, you can kind of see the lights over there, which I'm going to do in another video about that. But yep, that is the center here, and I'm literally just right here. And there's a little bit of a darkness here, this grassy area that I could walk across a lot of times. That's the only other light for about 40 feet, maybe 40 feet. So there's not very many lights in only a couple spots because of this length that it requires for the next light, for the next section of walkway. Now, as you can see some more lighting over there, a couple spots right there, this one, and over there. There's three within about 60, 80 feet at least. And then down here is where I'm not on this side, I'm actually on the other side, but this is down toward block 42 in the elegant side, and that's where I was staying before. But you can see 4 lights Well, one of them actually is somebody turned the light on the top of their balcony. But you can see the 3 lights. One right there, one right there, and one right there. So I know this is a very long one, but I wanted to kind of show people this again because people are always saying it's so dark here, blah, blah, blah. And there's spots that are dark, but almost all of the buildings now have lighting. So they had improved that, by the way. There's major improvements that way. I'm not saying all of them have them, but most that I've walked by so far and noticed or paid attention to have lighting in there. Like, look how bright that is compared to a couple of ones I took before. Much, much brighter. Every single light are now lit up. That originally some of them might have not had it. Again, I'm showing you different buildings, so, but yeah, that's it. That's all I want to say in this video. Oh my god, I can't believe it's 6 minutes on that one, but that's okay. Just wanted to bring up a lot of information because people keep complaining on platforms that it's not bright enough, and in fact, that's not a fact anymore comparatively compared to a year ago in 2023. But now it's much more brighter. Seems like they've fixed the problem 95%. Like I said, only a couple spots do not have lighting, either due to the fact that they haven't fixed them, because or they just don't use them because of the area. But that's it. Thank you very much, everyone. See you next time.